TV and cable, and discovering that Dish Network provides extraordinary television quality at a better price.
I'm always shopping for a good deal. So when I saw the new Dish Network price, it got my attention.
To me, there's no comparison. This gives you more, it costs less.
Take a look at Dish Network and DirecTV. Are your favorite shows any better because you pay more for them on DirecTV?
Have you ever seen a bird hang upside down and eat? That is amazing.
Are they kidding me?
You gotta get with Dish Network. You get more and you pay less. It's a done deal.
Now you can get Dish Network with over 120 channels, including local channels, for just $24.99 a month. And only Dish Network includes HD for free for life.
Free HD? When did you sign up?
I wanted the most HD channels. That's why I chose Dish Network.
Whether it's DirecTV or Dish Network, your shows are the